Here are the best Forex brokers in the UK in 2025. I'm Noam.
And I'm Justin. We've been running Compare Forex Brokers for over a decade now, and we've been looking to the latest when it comes to CFD and Forex trends.
In this video, we're going to uncover the very best Forex brokers in the UK for 2025. Alright Justin, let's get stuck in. UK is one of our critical markets, along with probably Australia, USA, Canada, Singapore. There are a few now. But UK I'd say is probably like our second biggest market outside of Australia. We've been analysing brokers in the UK for about 5 or 6 years now. And we've had a long running number one, and they took out first spot this year again. Who are they?
Sure, so we gave Pepperstone as our best Forex broker. And we'll talk about, there was actually 8 criteria, but let's talk about the 3 main ones and why they won. First of all, trading fees. So if you look on our website, you can actually see our spread module.
Yep.
And Pepperstone have some of the lowest spreads on their raw account, also known as a razor account. So spreads are one of the primary fees that a broker has. They also charge a commission, which is on par with most of the UK brokers. The second reason is their range of trading platforms. So they offer CTrader, TradingView, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their own platform for beginners. So wide range, and we also tested the speed of those platforms, and Pepperstone was the fastest of any UK broker. And the third reason is the customer service. So, we've opened accounts with every broker that we talk about. That's from Noam, myself, you got Dave, Ross, etc. And we just find that the opening process and things like when you have problems, etc., the customer service is nailed on. So, Pepperstone overall for, trading primarily Forex, an outstanding broker. We also named them number one for spread betting in the UK on our separate website, spreadbet.co.uk.
Okay, so that's Pepperstone at number one, no surprises there. We featured them for, I think, each of the last 5 or 6 years at number one. We had a bit of a change to who came number 2 this year, and that was ACAP. Do you want to tell the guys at home why we had ACAP listed at number 2 in the UK?
Sure, so ACAP's been around almost as long as Pepperstone, and they're based in Australia, but only in the last year did they actually receive an FCA license. So they can onboard all UK brokers, they can be trusted, and what we like about them globally as well as the UK is the range of markets they offer. So if you're looking to trade more than Forex, let's say you want to trade shares, commodities, etc. Not only do they offer the exotics, but they have the lowest fees on those exotics. So while Pepperstone are outstanding on the core products and trading and the fees, ACAP, we like them when you want to trade those exotic markets, even exotic currency pairs. They not only offer most of these markets, but they offer the lowest fees on them. So it's those combinations plus the fact that they're now FCA regulated, which is why we're recommending ACAP at number 2.
Okay, great. So I guess the biggest change this year is they now have the FCA license. They can onboard traders in the UK where previously they weren't able to. We like their offering globally. Now that they service the UK market, we like them there as well. Okay, so number 3 was OANDA, and last year we had OANDA as our most trusted broker. Is that the case again this year?
Look, OANDA remains the most trusted in terms of regulation, the size, US based. You can trust OANDA hands down. But the second element that we really love about OANDA, after doing a few more tests, is that we think it's one of the best brokers for beginner traders. So beginner traders need a platform that's easy to use, a low minimum deposit. They need customer service that's tailored towards the more junior range. So when we've had a few new staff members that have gone through this onboarding process, they've all put their preference to say, look, OANDA they found to be the easiest broker to join and then to trade with. So with that trust factor combined, which beginner traders often want, we recommend OANDA for that subset.
Okay, great. At number 4, we had eToro for copy trading. Do you want to expand a little bit on eToro?
Sure, so every broker we just mentioned does copy trading, and they do copy trading as a add-on, say with Pelican or with MetaTrader 4, etc. So they offer it. But if you just want to do copy trading, eToro remains the category leader because their software was designed for copy trading. So if you want to find all the traders out there and copy what they're doing, or a percentage, or just being able to look at what's out there and go, look, I've got a risk profile, I want to trade this, what's the most suitable brokers? This is what they do. They're really great at it, and I would be considering eToro. Why weren't they recommended number 1? Their fees are pretty bad. I'm just being honest, they're one of the only brokers to charge a withdrawal fee, and that drives me nuts. If you want your money, you shouldn't have to pay for it to get it back. So they do have key things that are very frustrating that we wish of eToro one day will address. But if you just want to do copy trading, if you're not going to trade large amounts, I don't think you can look past them. It's just the easiest to use, and it's just been designed just for you.
Okay, great. So let's just summarize the list of 4 very, very quickly for everyone back home. So at number 4, broker for the best copy trading offering in the UK in 2025. No surprises there, we had eToro there.
Remember, higher fees. So if you really do get into copy trading, I'd suggest maybe looking into Pepperstone's new copy trading facilities, which has much lower fees. Just the interface isn't quite as nice, and the trading community is smaller.
Yep. At number 3, we had OANDA. We have them there because they're our most trusted broker in the world. In a sentence.
Good for beginners. Now, that's the key change of our recommendation. When we went through the joining process again and the trading process, the staff that were newer to trading than ourselves said OANDA was their favorite out of all the FCA regulated brokers.
Okay, at number 2, we have a newcomer this year in the UK, and that's ACAP. In a sentence.
Wide range of markets. If you want to trade exotics, you still want to have low fees. ACAP's your winner in that facet.
Okay, and the overall winner in the UK in 2025, again, like the previous 5 or 6 years, was Pepperstone. Again, in a sentence.
Look at our methodology. We're not just making this recommendation. Look at the execution speed analysis that we do. Look at the average spreads. And remember, we're comparing FCA regulated, so don't see something with a lower spread that can't actually onboard UK traders. They've got great fees on the core markets. They've got great customer service that's actually award-winning. There's a reason why with investment trends they have the most satisfied customers of any broker. So that's why we've chosen Pepperstone yet again.
There you have it, guys, the best Forex brokers in the UK in 2025. If you want to learn more about each of these brokers, we have links in the description down below where you can access more information about them, read up a bit more about them on our website, and of course, proceed to signing up on the various brokers' websites. If you like this video, if you have any suggestions, please don't hesitate to leave a thumbs up and subscribe, and let us know in the comment section down below if there are any other videos you'd like us to create for you in 2025 to aid you on your trading journey. Thanks so much for watching, guys.
Thank you.